This is TripleChip's Unbox the Box. Found this when I was doing some renovations. Bought this, never used it. It's from Costco. This did retail for $90. I don't know if they carry these anymore, but it's a lithium-ion jump starter. Long-lasting lithium-ion battery maintains voltage for up to 3 years. It's got 450 peak amps. Jump start vehicles. It's got a USB port so you can charge your phone, and then it's got a built-in emergency lights. Some of the other stuff to say about it. I guess that's about it. Here's all the stuff that it comes with. You get your jumper cables. You get a thing to recharge to plug it in. And it looks like you can even charge it in your vehicle too. So let's get this open and see what we got here. Oh, we're going to have to cut this open. Just using one of these metal toothpick deals. It's just the tip of it, but it works. So let's just shut this down off. There, get rid of that noise. Okay, get. Oh wow, even comes in a. That's about it. You get the fancy little bag. What else in here? Just a little guide, so we can just throw that in with it. She empty. So apparently if this doesn't work, I can't take it. No, I think you can take it back because Costco takes back anything. But the only video I can find out, a guy did this back in 2016, so I doubt if they carry this product anymore, but really nice bag you get with it. Here's your thing that's going to plug into your units. You get, looks like a USB. And then you get here, let's just show you the ends. I don't know what this bigger one, so you can just leave it in the comments. Just gonna ignore that. Okay, so we get an Apple end, you got an Android end, and this one I don't know what that's for. You got your positive and negative. Got your house plug-in. Yeah, date July 2016. Get you one for your cigarette lighter. And the actual unit, it's about the size of a phone, a little bit shorter. So it's pretty small. Got a really nice feel to it, like it's almost like a rubberized feel on this side. Again, there's even a, I guess when you put it on, when this thing's charged, you can just hit this button. Engine start. So all your plugs are just on this one end only. So you would just plug in. Where in the heck does that plug in? What the heck? How would that plug into this? Well, that's gotta... Okay, because this can go into that one. And this other one fits in the same thing. But how in the heck does this plug into that? What the heck? Let's just look in the manual. I don't know how that plugs into the unit. Must be something I'm missing here. Yeah, somehow they're plugging that into the box there. Doesn't look like anything opens up on this though. Unless this opens here. It's probably got to be right behind this where it says engine starts. This must open up somehow. What the heck? Let's just get the little toothpick deal out again. Maybe that's just a cover, that's not an actual button there. It's got to be. Oh yeah, it is. Sneaky. So that just pulls open like that, and then this plugs into here. So when you plug it in, one side's going to be round and one's going to have like a round plus a flat end. So you look at your things, you got a round one and one that's a flat end. So it's just simply going to go in like this. Oh, and it's actually got power to it. Wow, it's been, says 3 years. That's 7 years. It's been holding power. Impressive. Can we hit the thing on? Maybe it pulled all the juice out because now it's not beeper anymore. But that's Xtreme Boost for $50, $90. A lot of these little starter things usually go for like hundreds of dollars. So I'll show you in another video, because I got nothing to really boost at the moment. My truck doesn't want to start one day. I'll do an update on this and I'll show you me starting it with this. So that's it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Short and sweet. I'll give it a thumbs up for now because it looks like a really good build quality here. And we'll keep you updated on this. That other video is going to be on TripleChip's adventure blogs. It's just going to be like an outdoor car edition, or actually truck edition. But until next time, have a great day or night. Vlog is over.